Welcome to Miami. This is a wrap-up of what Point Blank learned as official education partners with Winter Music Conference. Artists such as Carl Cox, Ferry Corsten, and Yves will be sharing their knowledge on what it's like to be in the music industry, so let's crack on. Oh, hey David Guetta.
Yeah, I just finished a score for a movie called Don't Go. It's directed by David Gleason. For me, it was the first time, right? It was just me as a trance producer. I always deal with these emotional hooks and whatever, and it's going to be an easy transition from that music to making it for film, but it's not. It's a whole new world. Those clear sort of little blocks that you have in music for the dance floor, chorus or a bridge or this or that. That's almost like a standard given with every track you do. No story is ever the same like that. It's all about what the picture does. The picture really dictates what the music will have to do.
Something else we've done is that we've asked a whole wealth of artists if you could go back in time and give yourself one tip as a beginner, what would it be? Stay tuned for that in the near future, but for now, here's a sneak preview of what Roger Sanchez told us.
So if I had to give myself one tip as a DJ, my tip would be to never pay attention to anyone else's career or what anybody else criticizes you about, but pay attention to your own heart and your own thoughts and go 100% at what it is that you love, and it'll get there. You'll get there, it'll happen, but don't pay attention to anybody else unless it's something that you want to be inspired by. Beyond that, go for 100% of what you love.
Years ago with vinyl, you could see a DJ mixing 2 or 3 vinyls together, and you used to have a crowd of people sitting in front of you just going, he's all right, he's got this. And even if you made a mistake, people were like, yeah, you made a mistake, but that was a part of it all. But now everything is completely seamless, and you don't have that anymore, so you can't see it, it's not tangible, but you have to hear it and feel it at the end of the day. And that's what I think it gets lost in translation sometimes. It's just don't worry about how we're doing it. Just worry about how it sounds.
Yeah, it's a dream coming true. It's a huge stage. The crowd is amazing, the vibe, the production. When you stand there, you forget everything else, and it's just enjoying and be united as one with the crowd. Besides the more festival and club tracks, I try to do some maybe 3 radio tracks a year now. So that's my new goal. Yeah, for the track One Day with Sam Veld, it went very easy actually. We have Roses on the vocals, and yeah, I'm very happy with the result. It's more like a radio track, and for now the feedback and the reactions are amazing. So I'm very excited about that release.
And of course, a huge part of Miami Music Week is the parties. There are so many that you can't possibly attend them all, but here's a couple that we're lucky to be at. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more about the music industry or music production, there's no better place than Point Blank Music School. We've got schools around the world and online, so check us out at pointblankmusicschool.com.